1. What is the total area of Odisha? Answer. 1. 55,707 square kilometers. 2. What is the rank of Odisha in terms of area in India? Answer. 8th rank. 3. What is the length of the coastline of Odisha? Answer. 485 kilometers, approx. 4. How many states share their border with Odisha? Answer. 4 states: West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh. 5. Which state lies to the west of Odisha? Answer. Chhattisgarh. 6. Which is the largest district of Odisha by area? Answer. Mayurbhanj. 7. Which is the smallest district of Odisha by area? Answer. Jagatsinghpur. 8. What was the ancient name of Odisha? Answer. Kalinga Utkala by Udra. 9. On which date is Utkal Divas, Odisha Day, celebrated? Answer. The 1st of April. 10. Which is the state animal of Odisha? Answer. Sambar deer. 11. Which is the longest river in Odisha? Answer. Mahanadi. 12. Which river is known as the sorrow of Odisha? Answer. Mahanadi, due to historic floods. 13. Hirakud Dam is built on which river? Answer. Mahanadi River in Sambalpur. 14. Which is the largest brackish water lake, lagoon in India? Answer. Chilika Lake. 15. Which river originates from the Gonasika hills of Keonjhar? Answer. Baitarani River. 16. Which is the highest waterfall in Odisha? Answer. Barehipani Falls in Similipal, Mayurbhanj. 17. Duduma waterfall is formed by which river? Answer. Machkund River. 18. Where does the Rushikulya River originate? Answer. Daringbadi Hills, Kandhamal. 19. Which is the largest freshwater lake in Odisha? Answer. Ansupa Lake, Cuttack. 20. Which river is known as the Ganga of Odisha? Answer. Baitarani River, religious significance, or Mahanadi, size significance. Note, usually Baitarani is compared religiously. 21. Which is the highest mountain peak of Odisha? Answer. Deomali, 1672 meters in Koraput. 22. Mahendragiri Peak is located in which district? Answer. Gajpati. 23. Which hill station is known as the Kashmir of Odisha? Answer. Daringbadi, Kandhamal. 24. Gandhamardhan Hills are located in which districts? Answer. Bargarh and Balangir. 25. The Malayagiri Hills are located in which district? Answer. Angul. Section 4. National Parks and Wildlife, Vanya Jeevan. 26. Which is the only national park in Odisha included in the UNESCO World Network of Biosphere Reserves? Answer. Similipal National Park. 27. Gahirmatha Marine Sanctuary is famous for which animal? Answer. Olive ridley turtles. 28. Bhitarkanika National Park is famous for what? Answer. Saltwater crocodiles, mangroves. 29. Nandankanan Zoological Park is located near which city? Answer. Bhubaneswar. 30. Where is the Chandaka Dampara Wildlife Sanctuary located? Answer. Khordha, famous for elephants. 31. In which district is the Debrigarh Wildlife Sanctuary located? Answer. Bargarh. 32. Which bird sanctuary is located inside Chilika Lake? Answer. Nalabana Bird Sanctuary. 33. Ushakothi Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which district? Answer. Sambalpur. 34. Which distinctive animal is found in the Similipal Tiger Reserve? Answer. Melanistic tiger, black tiger. 35. When was Bhitarkanika declared a national park? Answer. 1998. 36. Which district is known as the Rice Bowl of Odisha? Answer. Bargarh. 37. Rourkela steel plant was set up with the help of which country? Answer. West Germany. 38. Which place in Odisha is famous for bauxite mines? Answer. Panchpatmali, Koraput. 39. Talcher is famous for which mineral? Answer. Coal. 40. Which city is known as the Silver City of Odisha? Answer. Cuttack. 41. Badam Pahar mines in Mayurbhanj are famous for which ore? Answer. Iron ore. 42. Nalco, National Aluminium Company, is located at? Answer. Angulan Damanjodi. Section 6. Census 2011 and MISC Janganna. 43. What is the population of Odisha as per 2011 census? Answer. Approx 4.19 crore. 44. Which district has the highest literacy rate in Odisha 2011? Answer, Khordha. 45. Which district has the lowest literacy rate in Odisha, 2011? Answer, Nabrangpur. 46. Which district has the highest population density? Answer, Khordha. 47. What is the sex ratio of Odisha as per 2011 census? Answer, 979 females per 1000 males. 48. Which district has the highest tribal population in Odisha? Answer, Mayurbhanj. 49. Biju Patnaik International Airport is located in? Answer, Bhubaneswar. 50. Paradip Port is located in which district? Answer, Jagatsinghpur.